Okay, so what we're looking at is our intranet portal. This is using guidance from Microsoft. It's a stylized, modern portal. What we want to focus on is a little bit more on the functionality, the use cases, like what you can do in an environment like this. Um, one of the most common use cases, especially in a time like this, is getting help, especially from IT, from support. You can build all sorts of solutions using Power Automate, SharePoint, vanilla SharePoint. What we have here is a Power Virtual Agent. So we backend and we talk to SharePoint, but we just want to surface that to our users with a virtual agent, basically a bot, making it easy for our users to feel like they have a place to go and talk to someone and get help, even if it's virtual. It's just a starting point for that solution. So just looking at the page here, down at the bottom left, you can kind of see our bot icon. This is a little bit of a SharePoint framework, a little bit of a custom effort just to get a button here that sticks to your footer and launches our Power Virtual Agent. So from within our virtual agent, we can see this, we're getting this greeting, and it kind of gives you with some different information in terms of what we can do. Of course, this is stuff that you can customize for your experience. In our case, I'm simulating a user that just wants to submit a ticket because my machine isn't working. So I'm going to type that in. And, I didn't enter in any good punctuation. It's not a hard-coded string. The engine determined or sort of figured out what I was trying to do. It's taking its best guess at, the topic that I'm trying to take action on. In this case, it knows I'm trying to file a support ticket. So down here, it's asking me what type of ticket or what type of issue am I having. I'm going to say mobile, and it's asking me to enter a description of the problem. So I'm going to say, just got my Surface Duo and can't access email. Enter. So you can see we have sort of a dialogue going here. And we'll look at how this was built and what's driving this. Right now, it wants my contact number, so I'll enter that in. Enter in a good time to contact me. Let's say tomorrow at 1 p.m. And it's going to parse that, try to get a real date, and it's going to go ahead and create my ticket. You can see it's loading here. And what I get back is a link to our intranet portal. And it's actually pointing to the newly created list item. So this is what we have defined as a ticket, and I can click on this and I can view the details of my ticket. Now, of course, this is a simulation. We can have different rules, different things that show up for administrators versus end users. But the point is, I got my ticket inside of the system. So that's how we set up our Power Virtual Agent to create a ticket inside of SharePoint.